Hello friends, welcome to a fresh new episode of our channel RG Innovations. If you have not subscribed already, please subscribe to our channel, click on the bell button and select all to get all future notifications of our video uploads. In today's project, I am going to build a dual 555 IC flasher. I am using two 555 ICs. I am using two capacitors, one is 10 MFD and one is 100 MFD. Using 4 resistances of 4.7K, using 8 LEDs of 2 different colors and using few wires to connect on breadboard. Let us now build the circuit on a breadboard. I am putting first one 555 IC. Then the other 555 IC. Connecting a 10 MFD capacitor with the second 555 IC. And the 100 MFD capacitor with the first 555 IC. IC1 pin number 1 to negative power supply. And IC2 pin number 1 to negative power supply. IC1 pin number 8 to positive power supply. IC2 pin number 8 to positive power supply. A 4.7K resistance between pin number 8 and 7 and another 4.7K between pin number 6 and 7. For IC2 also, one 4.7K between pin number 8 and 7 and another 4.7K between pin number 6 and 7. I have given the circuit diagram at the end of the video, so you can check it out after finishing the video. Connecting pin number 2 and 6. In this IC also connecting pin number 2 and 6. Connection is very simple and very few components are used. Now taking a wire from pin number 3 for the output from IC1. And from IC2, another wire from pin number 3 for output. Before connecting the LEDs, I am wiring up the breadboard for the LEDs placement. All this wiring is being done for the LEDs. I have accidentally connected IC2 in the reverse direction, so I will correct it later. Now connecting the LEDs. LEDs will be connected in the opposite direction. That is, the anode of the green LEDs will be connected with the cathode of the blue LEDs. One row complete. In the second row also, anode of the green color LEDs will be connected with the cathode of the blue color LEDs. And we have to keep note that all the green LEDs anode will be connected in the same direction, and all the anodes of the blue LEDs will be connected in the same direction. So our wiring is complete. I am reversing the IC direction as I have put it in the opposite direction. Our circuit is complete. Now connecting 5V power supply to this, and our dual flasher is ready. This pattern is used in ambulances, in police car or in VIP cars. You can build it with different colors of LEDs. I have changed the LED pattern a little to make it look beautiful. And here is the circuit diagram. You can pause it and note it. I have given the circuit diagram link in the description also. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and share the video. Thank you for watching. We will meet again in a new video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Have a nice time. Thank you for watching.